Hello and welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2021 Chevy 1500 Trail Boss. Moving on to the interior with power windows and door locks, the Bose sound system, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, there's also Bluetooth cruise control, AM, FM, XM radio with Bluetooth, nicely appointed. This Trail Boss is 4x4, has the 5.3 liter engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. It has 18-inch rubber on it, the off-road Autotracs. Lots of room in the rear passenger compartment, has the Chevy molded floor mats and also a couple of USB ports there for the rear passengers. Thank you for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. If you have any questions about our 2021 Chevy Trail Boss, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.